out from the darkness. Do you know what this means? Let me before I start talking, I'm right. That's better. I don't really have a plan for today. I ended up having a free afternoon and I figured, hey, why not just get outside and enjoy this beautiful weather? I got my film camera and I'm really trying to take the day to work on the film side of things because it's a totally different aspect of, you know, photography. What I'm really trying to focus on are things with really awesome texture and contrast. Really focusing in right now on this brick street right behind me because it's got a lot of awesome texture with the light coming in as it is that offers some cool contrast too. So let's get down and get some shots going. Here's where it's gonna get tricky. The shot that I want to try and get, a close-up shot of my boot on the brick, because I think those brown boots would look really good in conjunction with this old kind of beat up brick. The hard thing is trying to get focus with this and take the shot in the right lighting. I'll have no idea if it's gonna turn out until I actually develop the film. I will not be able to show you guys any of these shots in this vlog or even probably multiple vlogs from now, just because I gotta fill up the whole film roll and then get it developed, and so. Pardon me while I'm a bad example to the kids who are getting their photos taken behind me. Let's get it. So I'm just down here hanging out, taking photos, ran into these guys. You want to introduce yourself?
I'm Tim. I'm a vlogger. I do random videos on YouTube for my high school. If you guys want to check me out, my name is Tim Parker Official on YouTube. Maybe you'll see some collabs from me and Taylor soon.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So yeah, go check his stuff out. I'll try and link it in the description. Gonna get back to some photos.
See you guys.
They're gonna get back to some videos. There's one more shot that I want to try and get with the film camera. Almost finished a roll and I want to go ahead and finish that roll. I'm gonna try and focus on this last shot real quick. A little bit carried away with those birds that were perched up on that chain. For some reason, I'm really drawn to birds. I just spent about 10 minutes like let me reenact what I did for 10 minutes.
That's what I did for about 10 minutes. I was just holding the focus and the frame just steady. I wanted to wait for the birds to give a little bit of a movement, like flap their wings or hop off and fly away. There's something almost calming. I found that I'm really fascinated by just the zone that I get in when I'm trying to photograph something like a bird, because I want to try and get it in motion. And so I'll just sit there and like become really in tune with my breath and like really be able to feel like I can feel my heartbeat, because it's almost like I'm ready to take a sniper shot, you know, like really calm, really slow breath. I finished the roll of film, which is exciting because now I can go get it developed and see whether or not any of the shots are worthwhile. There was one shot that I actually wanted to get, but once I saw the birds, I kind of forgot about. So I might try that one on my digital camera.
I completely lost track of the time. I've been out here for about 3 hours, literally in this one alley. I'm gonna walk back to the Iron Beast. There she is. That, my friends, shall be the vlog. So, thanks for joining in. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, because I really enjoyed getting out, taking some film photos. I am super excited to get the photos developed and check them out. You can always follow my Instagram page to follow along with my photo and art projects. So any of the stuff I shot today will be on that feed. Thank you for joining in, and do not forget, this means we are down to 9 vlogs left until the potential giveaway, and it's up to you guys. It's up to you guys and your networking and your sharing and your liking and your subscribing. So do all of those glorious things, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's like it's like a documentary. It's about real life people.